everyone, this is V with Real Journal Talk, and welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new, thanks for joining. So today's video is going to be my cash envelope stuffing video for first paycheck in April. And so if you're interested in watching, continue to watch. All right, you all. So in today's video, I am going to be allocating my cash envelopes, and so I went to the bank and went in and took out the monies that I needed to do my stuffing. And so let's go ahead and just count what I took out. Let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, and 20, 40, 60. So that's 360 that we will be stuffing. And so, for those who are not familiar, I'm currently using this Filofax. Hopefully, I'll be updating this because I'm not satisfied with the slips that came with this Filofax. It's not a good quality for what the purpose I'm trying to use these for. I'm not satisfied with it. So that's here or there. But so let's go ahead and look at what I have, if anything remaining. So for groceries, I do 140, and as you can see, it's empty. So that shows you that I use that 140 to last for that 2-week period. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40. So it's 140. And kids, that is for the chores, and that is 20, 10 a piece per child, so it's 2. And as you can see, that is actually empty as well. This is what I mean. I don't care for this. Yeah, I have to find another one. But it's 20. That's 20. And then for gas, I do 40 for the pay period. And this right here, I mean, I hate to harp on this, but this is really annoying. It just, I wouldn't recommend this. I hate to say it, but I wouldn't recommend this. I'm gonna go in and just change this one out. Right here, I wouldn't recommend this. If it's just not good quality. So for cleaning, I'm sorry, gas, it's 40. I do 20 per week. So it's 20, 40. And I have to label it again, but hopefully I'll find something else. I'm gonna look for something else because this is not working. Cleaning, that's where I'm getting all, like dish detergents, soaps, whatever needs to be purchased for that 2-week period, because we do buy in quantity. So I just usually get little stuff here and there in between just so we can stay stocked up. But that's 20. Here we go again. It's 20. And then movie is 20, and that's basically if we just renting something from Redbox, or even if we're going to order something offline through whatever, like cable, whatever. So that's just 20 for that. And then for taxes, I do 40 per pay period. I try not to seal these up because after I realized that it has a problem, I try not to seal it up. Watch. Okay. So as you can see, I still have the 20, 40, 50, 60, and this is a sinking fund. So I need to add 40 more for this one. 20, 40. And then this is YouTube. This is basically when I want to do a giveaway or I want to purchase something. Like I want to buy another cash envelope system because this is not working. I know I done said it so many times, but this is not working. So I do 40 per paycheck, and it's already 20, 40, 60, 80. So it's still in there, as you can see. I haven't purchased anything. 20, 40. And then if I see something that I want to just do a giveaway, my goal is I want to do a good giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So I may try to keep this up just because I want to do a nice giveaway for my subscribers. And then this is personal. As you know, I try to keep something in for myself. If I just want to buy something here and there. And I do 40. So last pay period, I just did 20. So I still have 20 left in here. And it's 20, 40. And that is basically it for this cash envelope stuffing video for my first paycheck in April. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give me a big thumbs up, share, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye-bye.